What if I told you there was a software that scours the internet 24/7 to find you the best deals for Amazon FBA? I recently came across this software and it makes sourcing products so easy that it feels like I'm playing a video game. I'm gonna break down exactly how you can use it to make your first 1K profit with Amazon FBA. With that being said, let's get into the tutorial so you can see exactly how this software works and how it can make you money. And as always, if you got value, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get into it.
This is the software that is going to make you your first 1K profit with Amazon FBA. And what it does is it scrapes every single website to find you profitable products. And you can see all the key data that you need. You can see the price, the Amazon price, the fees, if any costs. If you have a prep center fee, you can plug that in there. It tells you the amount of FBA sellers. And yeah, it's really amazing. And also, one of my favorite features is you can sort it by the newest products. So these are the freshest, hottest deals that were just found. It's finding hundreds of deals, or probably 100 deals every single minute, it looks like. You can see we scroll down. It's finding so many deals for you to find profitably. And you can also, one click of the button, go to the ASIN here on Amazon. You can go to find key data here. There's advanced product data. You're going to see the keep a chart. The offers tab is here. All the key data you need, the estimated monthly sales. You can see the buy box winner, the stock history. You can see this seller is currently winning the buy box. And yeah, it's really amazing. So here's the stock history right now. You can see their buy box winners it gives you the percentage of buy box each seller has. And you can also quickly check with one touch of a button if you're gated. You can go pull up Keepo with one touch of a button. You can also report a mismatch. If you get a certain number of mismatches reported, then you will get a free subscription, which is pretty cool. So you can also, this is a very cool feature. So you can hide the products from other people. Let's say you find this product really quickly and you're like, damn, this is a really good product. I don't want anyone else to see it. You can click hide from others. If you wanted to hide it for 2 weeks, it costs you $4. You buy a bunch of products. If you buy 50 units, that $4 is going to be nothing at the end of the day. So yeah, really, really cool. And it just breaks everything down nicely for you. And you can find tons of profitable stuff with this. Like you can see right here, this product looks really solid, $32 profit. You can also sort it by category. So if you want to only do clothing, you can sort it by clothing. If you wanted to, you can sort it by price. If you only want products over $20, you can do that. You can sort it by ROI. If you want a minimum of 30% ROI, you can set that as well. You can also set minimum and maximum BSRs. So like sales ranks, if you want it under 100K, you can set a max of 100K here. So yeah, really cool. And these are all the suppliers that come with the software. And you can also add suppliers. They're adding suppliers all the time. There's tons of suppliers already on this. But I think this is a really cool software that will almost automate the sourcing for a beginner and help them get their, get them off the ground with terms of profitable products. So I absolutely love it, and I've been testing it out, and it's a really cool software. There's also a distributor section as well. There's a distributor and a wholesale section where you can find distributor deals as well. So you can see, like, if you filter by the suppliers, here are a bunch of suppliers, distributors that you can reach out to as well. And they'll give you like the cost price from the distributor catalog too, which is super cool. Tell you how much stock the distributor has, the MOQ, which means minimum order quantity of the product. And yeah, really, really awesome. And there's also a wholesale section as well. You can see right here, this is more wholesale suppliers, essentially a different wholesale section. You can see the MOQ right here of these products. Some of them have a lot higher MOQ in the wholesale section. But yeah, and then you can also see products that are out of stock that are really cool. So you can see anything that's out of stock on Amazon, then you can make a quick flip on. You can see this product's been out of stock for a week now, and you can kind of look at the Keepo with one touch of a button to see if it's worth doing a quick flip if it's been out of stock on Amazon. So that's an awesome feature. There's also more. There's Amazon to Walmart. They're making Telegram deals soon. They're making bundles, liquidation, stuff like that. They're doing a bunch of different features, but Amazon to Walmart seems really cool. So if you just started selling on Walmart, you can get A to Walmart flips so you can make money on Walmart. And also there's A to A flips here as well, which is cool. So you can basically look for deals where you can flip it back on Amazon if it's at a really low price and this product will sell for higher historically. Like this is an example of a potential 8A flip. They're selling it for really cheap, they're raising the price. So yeah, if Amazon does like a lightning deal where the product is discounted, you can find some good A flips with the software as well. But yeah, this is pretty much that. And I just think it's going to be really cool for a lot of sellers to be able to find products really quickly and get their store off the ground. I almost think of it as like a much easier to use tactical arbitrage. Tactical arbitrage is kind of a pain to use. It's very complicated. But this is basically scouring websites 24/7. And one thing I like, again, I really like is you can hide it from other people. But yeah, and it's just amazing. I think it's really going to help a lot of you beginners out there make your first, $1,000 with Amazon FBA. So hopefully you guys got some value from this video and learned a thing or two about this amazing software called Nepeto. And if you guys want to check it out, you can get a free trial below, and you can also get 20% off with my coupon code Joe20. So go ahead and click the link down in the subscription and get started with this software today, and it'll help you make a ton of money on Amazon. And as always, guys, if you got value, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.